During the introductory part of this training, we saw that one of the reasons why Nigerians or many people are not making money online is the Nigerian factor. And we got to see that many of these online platforms, the website that we are going to be dealing with, they don't really trust Nigerians or anything related to Nigerians because of the purported fraudulent nature of many of our youths and persons doing online in Nigeria. Nigeria has a very high fraud rate, so because of that, many of them don't want to have anything to do with us. Now, because of this, the very first thing we are going to be touching on relating to tools for online business is what is known as proxy or VPN services. Now, a proxy or a VPN hides your true identity online. It secures your identity online, and then by hiding your IP and concealing where you are browsing from. Now, there are various and different kinds of proxies. We have the free proxies, we have the dedicated proxies. Now, we are going to be looking at some of the key ones, and then we'll look at the ones you can actually use for free without having to pay anything for them. Most of the tools I'm going to be touching in this parts of the training, this first section, you are not going to be paying anything for them, so that you start off your online business without having to spend money. Now, one of the cool VPN softwares or services is Hide My IP software. You can see it on the screen here in case you are not seeing it boldly. And this is it. Hide My IP, www.hidemyip.com. You can go to the website and check things out for yourself. Now, this is the website. I've already opened it in my browser. Now, you scroll down, you see the key benefits of using this software. It gives you anonymity and encrypts your web surfing, meaning that if anyone actually wants to steal your identity online or wants to know where you are browsing from, because proxy is used for many purposes. It hides your identity online for one, so that even hackers and persons that steal information, they will not be able to steal your information. And then secondly, it encrypts your web surfing. Then it unblocks any website that normally doesn't accept Nigerians, so that you can get access to all those websites, and it can work on Windows platform, Mac, Linux, Android phones, and you name it, this particular software. And you see that it costs 29.9. That's about, it costs about $30 to use. Now you see it here, our IP address. I discovered our IP address that I'm using Globalcom, and this is the IP address that I'm from Nigeria. And this is exactly how those platforms see you online, and they block any IP coming from Nigeria. So you can get it free, you can use it for free. See, you come here, you click on it and download it to your system. There is the app version of it that you can use for your phone, but I would advise that for the online business that we are dealing with here, make use of the laptop. So you download it. This is what you do. If you don't have money to pay for this software, there is a way you can get around it. And the first thing you do is download it to your system, use it till the expiring date. After it expires, you uninstall, then you install again and use it. Then it expires, you install and install and use it continually until you are fed up with it. Now, what I will advise that after you have made money, you just come here and buy this software. Just give them the money, because these persons, they spend money developing this app, and you don't want to just download for free and use continually forever. So you use it for a while for free, by installing and uninstalling, installing and uninstalling. Then when you have made some money online, you just come here and you buy it. Now this is one of the software you can use. Then the second one on the list, and very, very popular, is the Hotspot Shield. www.hotspotshield.com. You can go to the website, it's already open in my browser. Come down here, www.hotspotshield.com. You see that it is being used by more than 650 million persons. This is it. So you can just come here, you download it to your system, you install. So these are the two key ones. There are thousands of VPN services, but these are the two key ones that I have used in time past, and I bought the paid version of this. You can use any of them, you install it to your system. Now if you don't want to be installing anything to your system, you can make use of browsers that have VPN services, not Chrome, not Firefox, but you can make use of Epic Browser. You can make use of Epic Browser. This is it, www.epicbrowser.com. You go to their website, which is here. This is their website here. I already opened it in my browser. It is free to download. You come down here, you download it to your system, and you install. Now there are other VPN browser-based VPN services like Privacy. Then we have Tunnel Bear. I am very familiar with Epic Browser. I have it in my system. I don't really use the Privacy or the Tunnel Bear, but person that have used it say it's okay, but myself, I use Epic Browser. Epic Browser is more like Chrome. Now if you are used to using Google Chrome, then you understand the only addition to Epic Browser is that it has VPN services attached to it. The moment you have it installed in your system, then you come down to this particular corner, you see it's green. If it's red, you click on it, it becomes green, and the moment it's green, it means that the VPN service has been activated in your system. So proxies are very, very important. They're very, very important if you are into anything relating to surfing, browsing online, whether you are into online business or not. Proxies are very, very important. Now to show you if your VPN service has been activated, you come down to this www.ip2location. It will tell you if your VPN services have been activated or not. We are still going to touch on IP2location when we are setting up our online business. But if you scroll down here, you discover that it's telling you that it is here and you are using Globalcom, and this is your IP address, you are from Nigeria. It gives you detail, meaning that the VPN service has not been activated. And this is because I'm using Chrome here and I didn't activate and hide my IP or hotspot shield. I make use of Epic Browser for this particular system. So if I want to solve any of those websites, I just make use of my Epic Browser. I type it in here and I go straight to the website, and at that point in time I'm browsing with my IP hidden, and nobody anywhere will know that I am browsing from Nigeria, so I cannot have access to all those websites.